Do you want to sound more natural when you speak English? In this lesson, you will learn 25 more common phrasal verbs that native speakers use every day in conversations, work, and daily life. Phrasal verbs are everywhere in English, and understanding them will help you speak more naturally, understand movies and conversations, and feel more confident in English. In this video, we practice phrasal verbs for daily life, communication, work and learning, social life, and problems and decisions. You will hear clear explanations and natural example sentences so you can start using these phrasal verbs today. Practice with me and repeat the sentences to improve your speaking. Also, comment below which phrasal verb was new for you, and be sure to subscribe for more calm, natural English lessons every week. Phrasal verbs for daily life. Turn on. Turn on means to start a machine. I turn on the lights when it gets dark. Turn off. Turn off. That means to stop a machine. Please turn off the TV before you go to bed. Sit down. Sit down. That means to take a seat. Please sit down and make yourself comfortable. Stand up. Stand up. That means to rise to your feet. Everyone stood up when the teacher entered the room. Hurry up. Hurry up. That means do something faster. Hurry up, or we will miss the bus. Phrasal verbs for communication. Speak up. Speak up. That means to talk louder. Could you speak up? I can't hear you. Point out. Point out. That means to show something important. The teacher pointed out a mistake in my sentence. Talk over. Talk over. That means to discuss something. Let's talk over the plan before we decide. Ask for. Ask for. That means to request something. She asked for help with her homework. Call back. Call back. That means to return a phone call. I missed your call. I'll call you back later. Phrasal verbs for work and learning. Write down. Write down. That means to record information. Please write down this new vocabulary word. Look up. Look up. That means to search for information. I looked up the meaning of that word. Go over. Go over. That means to review something. Let's go over the lesson one more time. Pick up. Pick up. That means to learn something quickly. Children often pick up languages very fast. Fall behind. Fall behind. That means to fail to keep up. He fell behind in class because he missed many lessons. Phrasal verbs for social life. Drop by. Drop by. That means to visit briefly. My friend dropped by my house yesterday. Come over. Come over. That means visit someone's house. Why don't you come over for dinner tonight? Run into. Run into. That means to meet unexpectedly. I ran into my neighbor at the store. Show up. Show up. That means to arrive. He showed up late to the meeting. Join in. Join in. That means to participate. Everyone joined in the conversation. Phrasal verbs for problems and decisions. Cut back. Cut back. That means to reduce something. I'm trying to cut back on sugar. Run out of. Run out of. That means to have nothing left. We ran out of milk this morning. Put off. Put off. That means to delay something. Don't put off your important goals. Carry on. Carry on. That means to continue. Even when things are hard, we must carry on. Step down. Step down. That means to leave a position. The manager stepped down from his job. Let's practice a few sentences together. Repeat after me. I need to look up that word. I need to look up that word. Can you speak up? Can you speak up? I ran into my friend yesterday. I ran into my friend yesterday. Don't put off your dreams. Don't put off your dreams. Let's go over the plan again. Let's go over the plan again. Great job! Phrasal verbs are everywhere in English. If you learn just a few every week, your English will start to sound much more natural. Be sure to come back to this channel every week to learn more phrasal verbs. Again, tell me in the comments, which phrasal verb was new for you today? And if you want to continue improving your English in a calm and natural way, subscribe for more lessons. I'll see you in the next video.